Oh! Hey CVPs, welcome to my channel. It's such a beautiful day to be alive and so beautiful to see you again. So I'm hoping you're having a great day because I'm having a great day. It's early in the morning. It's around 8 a.m. The sun has just risen and I'm heading to my friend's house to watch soccer, the World Cup. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ole, 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 ole. So today is World Cup finals. And it's Croatia against France. Yeah, so let's see who will win. I'm gonna record some stuff, not all because I wanna enjoy the party as well. But it's a beautiful day to watch soccer. Okay, guys, so I just got to my location and we have a party cake. So let's go watch soccer. Fußball, Fußball. I'm a little late. Hi.
Hi.
Good to see you. Hey, I know you. Hi. How are you? Hi, how are you? Croatia just scored a self-goal. Oh my gosh. That's crazy. I'm rooting for Croatia. What about you?
Yeah.
Because they are the kind of like the underdog. Underdog. I'm for the underdog. So now it's 2-4. Oh my gosh, France is like has 4 goals and Croatia has 2. So probably France is gonna win because they have like 4, but now Croatia is getting his confidence back. So France just won the World Cup for 2018. That means that's their second World Cup win. The last time they won the World Cup was 20 years ago in 1998. So this is the second time. Congratulations, France! Yay! Look at this view. Beautiful. France won the World Cup 2018. And I'm having my Angelic Parrots. Merch link is up here. Click the link, get your merch. So as you can see, they are doing now the finals and the award ceremony. Guys, let me know what you think about the World Cup. Comment below, comment below.
1 hour later.
It's so hot, so I just got back home. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. And look at those hibiscus flowers, they are so beautiful. So I'm plucking some for babies. Angel loves them, Hope loves them, Destiny loves them. Let's pluck some. Let's pluck. Oh, wow, hibiscus flower. Okay, that should be enough. So we have like 5. Oh, they smell so good too. Oh, so let's serve them to babies. Look! I have some flowers for you. Yeah. Pick one. Hi, Opie. Hi. Go eat the flowers. Look. Oh. Oh. Hi guys! So they are enjoying some hibiscus flower here. Oh, Hoppy! Hi Angel! Yum yum yummy! Hi! Hi baby! Hi! Yum yummy! Yum yummy! Yummy. Yum, yum, yummy. That's the pink one. That's the only pink one. No fighting, guys. Yeah. Mwah. Mwah. They're fighting for that name. Oh! Let's swing you. Whee! Oh! Oh, there's a little bit. Oh! What about the flowers? You want a flower? You like a flower up there? Here, take a flower. No. Oh, Angel. Oh, they went down fast.
Hi.
Oh. Sock. Ow, that's my sock. That's my hand. Oh! 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 Angel! No! You get aggressive with the phone. No, Angel. Get away. That's my hand. Oh! Oh!
What are you doing? What are you saying? Is it parrot language? Yeah, it sounds nice. You want to fly? You do want to go fly? Oh, are you tired? You want to take a nap?
Ah.